Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to correctly use Riverside Transcription in 2025 the right way with all the updated features. Let's jump straight in. First, head over to riverside.fm, click on Get Started, and either create a new account or sign in using Google, Apple, or even Spotify. Once you're logged in, go to the Edit section. Now upload your profile. You can choose an audio file, a video file, or both. Alternatively, just paste in a YouTube URL. Super convenient. After the upload, Riverside will take a few minutes to process your file. Once it's done, you'll see the full transcript of your video or audio content. From here, you can edit the on-screen captions easily. Choose a readable font, adjust and font size. Make sure everything looks clean and professional. You can also add titles, subtitles, and even smart titles to make your video pop. Once you're happy with the everything, go to the top right and click export. Before finalizing, you can tweak the video quality, remove the watermark, and even normalize the audio levels. And that is it. That's how you correctly use Riverside transcription in 2025. A simple, fast, and super effective. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for the more quick tech tutorials. Thank you for watching.